Y'all ready for fun fact number 4? I got my first tattoo 3 years ago at the age of 27, and I was one of those people that I really didn't want any tattoos. Like, that just really wasn't my thing. Like, I like piercings, but tattoos, I'm just like, that's too permanent. I don't really know what to get, so I never got a tattoo. And then when I turned 27, I was just like, you know what? I want to get a tattoo, but I didn't know what to get. Like, I'm always talking about how I'm like a true Scorpio. Like, it defines me so much. So of course, my one and only tattoo is right here on my wrist. It looks like it's not in the middle, but I promise y'all it is in the middle. I think it's because of the way that I'm holding like my arm right now. But yeah, I just got my sign, which is Scorpio. So this is my one and only tattoo, and I probably won't get any more because honestly, I thought that I had a high pain tolerance, but clearly I don't because this hurt like a bee. It felt like my whole wrist and vein right here was on fire the whole time. And so many people who have lots of tattoos that I know are like, girl, it's nothing. But for me, I don't know if it's the spot I got it in or if I just can't take tattoo pain. But yeah, this will be my one and only tattoo, okay? Hey dolls and gents, so I just got back home. It is 12:30 in the morning. I filmed this look for you guys at 3 p.m. I went on a dinner and a movie date, so I wanted to film this look for you guys. It's super simple, glowy. It really doesn't take a lot of time to do. Like, this is one of those looks that I like rocking when I don't want to think about how I'm gonna do my makeup. Like, this is a perfect date look for me. Like, I just love this look. It's like super glowy. It's perfect for like spring and summertime, and it's daytime and also nighttime appropriate. So if you wear this like early in your day and you don't feel like touching up your makeup, like, you're not gonna look super crazy wearing this like in the workplace. And if you don't like wearing false lashes, you definitely can rock this look without lashes. The lid color is one of the new Bobbi Brown Longwear Sparkle Sticks. I have all of the shades and these are bomb. Like, if you're looking for something that you can just put on your lid and it looks like really glittery, really sparkly, and you don't need to set it, this is like amazing. Y'all definitely have to check this product out. If nothing else, check this out, okay? So I am still rocking one of our custom units. This is our Brazilian Body Wave 24-inch lace closure wig. I literally just threw it on my head today. I did not have time to curl my hair, so I just threw it on, just slicked down the baby hairs. If you are still rocking sew-ins, like, why? There's no reason to. Once I went to wigs, like, I never looked back because honestly, I could just switch up my hair every day. If I want to rock my natural hair, I rock my natural hair. If I want to throw a wig on, I do that. And it's just like so simple. It made life so simple for me. If you're interested in checking out our custom units, I will have a link down below for you guys, as always. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and click that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. Make sure that all of those notifications are turned on, not some, every single notification, so you don't miss a new video, because some of y'all are like, girl, where have you been? I have been posting videos for y'all, so make sure those notifications are on, okay? So if y'all want to see how I got this full makeup look from start to finish, then you know what to do. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you would like to see more Get Ready With Me videos, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye.